Get you the big image that came in that will be etched in our minds for a long time to come of Captain Shooks, Group Captain Shooks, finally returning home back on planet Earth after the undocking that took place yesterday. Today, you had splashdown in the Pacific Ocean, a textbook splashdown that took place off the coast of Florida, marking a perfect end to a near flawless journey. The deorbit burn took place at about 2 in the afternoon. 1 hour later, at exactly 3 p.m. is when the splashdown took place in the Pacific Ocean. About 30 minutes later, we got the first glimpse of Group Captain Shukla as he emerged out of the Dragon capsule in which he had taken that long journey and briefly waved at the cameras, all smiles, to let the country know, to let his fellow Indians know that he's doing all right.
Bharat has today truly found an enduring space in the world of space. It's a moment of pride for the whole world and a moment of glory for India as one of her illustrious sons returns back after accomplishing a successful voyage and after having conducted some of the very vital life-bearing experiments never done before. And therefore, as I said, today indeed Bharat has found an enduring space in the world of space.
So after completing the space voyage, Shubhanshu Shukla now will undergo a 7-day rehabilitation program, giving Shooks and the entire crew time to regain muscle strength they may have lost after staying in zero gravity for an extended period.
Even after 18 days in space, even after a 25.5-hour journey back to Earth, for Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, the mission doesn't end with splashdown. Like all astronauts, Shubhanshu and his 3 other crew members will spend 7 days in rehabilitation. Astronauts need rehabilitation post-splashdown because space flight causes major changes in their body, mainly due to lack of gravity. They need to undergo therapy for atrophy to help regain muscle strength and bone density. They also undergo cardiovascular deconditioning therapy to recover from their cardiovascular functions. They receive treatment for vestibular system changes to readjust their balance and coordination. They go through psychological adjustment as well to readjust to Earth's sensory-rich environment and social routines, which can be overwhelming to return to. Rehabilitation often includes physical and psychological support, as well as counseling to help astronauts adapt mentally, emotionally, and physically.
Brace for drogue window.
Other astronauts like Sunita Williams also went through a 45-day NASA rehabilitation program to recover from their 9-month space expedition.
Other than Sunny Williams.
The duration of rehabilitation varies depending on the length of the expedition. But as he's done with everything else on his space sojourn so far, we are certain Shooks will pass this test as well with flying colours. Bureau Report, India Today.
So let's focus really on those images that came in. This was right after splashdown. In case you missed that moment, this was exactly when Group Captain Shooks emerged. We just got a glimpse of him for a few seconds, but you can see that he's all smiles, he's looking up. He needed a bit of help, as is the case, because astronauts there, like Group Captain Shukla, have been in space, not used to walking, so they're getting their first sense of gravity again. So just kind of finding their feet, almost like a baby learning how to walk all over again. So with a little bit of help, he was on his feet, taking a couple of steps, and now directly headed for medical checkups. That's being done as we speak right now. But great to see Group Captain Shooks doing okay, smiling, waving at the cameras with a clear intention to send a message across to home that I'm doing fine, I'm safe, and clearly he enjoyed the journey back. It's an arduous one where you see the re-entry alone, temperatures peaking, essentially heat, extreme friction, and you have the capsule essentially dropping down at a speed of about 560 kilometers per hour. So you can't even fathom what that essentially feels like. for Group Captain Shukla's family, of course. They heaved a huge sigh of relief. They were excited, they were anxious, they were going through a whole lot of emotions, understandably. Listen in to what they had to say right after their son touched down safe back in India.
प्लेन नीचे आ रहा था, आप लोग प्रेयर्स कर रहे थे?
नहीं, ईश्वर से प्रेयर करते हैं। ईश्वर से जो है उसी को सवेरे प्रेयर करके हनुमान जी को सौंप आए थे, मतलब वापस लाओ, जैसे गए थे वैसे लाओ। तो ठीक ठाक रहा, सब बढ़िया रहा, बहुत अच्छा रहा। तो लैंडिंग अच्छी तरह हो गई, ये बहुत खुशी की बात है हम लोगों के लिए और देशवासियों के लिए, सबकी जो है खुशी की बात है।
पैराशूट जैसे ही खुला है, आपके और आपकी जो पत्नी है उनके आंखों में आंसू आ गए थे जैसे ही पैराशूट खुला है, वो कितना इमोशनल मोमेंट था?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा मोमेंट था और वो जो है मतलब ये है कि खुशी की थी हम लोगों को कि मतलब जो है सब नॉर्मल चल रहा है, जो चीज़ जैसी होनी चाहिए वैसी हो रही है। तो ये बड़ी अच्छी बात थी। मतलब जो है उसका मिशन का जो है भी एक जो भी चीज़ें थी टाइमली समय से और सब कुछ क्लियर हो रही थी, तो अच्छा लग रहा था।
डर था जब नीचे आ रहा था प्लेन?
नहीं, डर तो थोड़ा बहुत 10-5% तो रहता है दिल में, कहीं न कहीं रहता है कि मतलब, और ईश्वर कृपा से सब बढ़िया हो गया, अब डर कोई नहीं है।
ईश्वर को याद कर रहे थे आज, मंगल भी?
बिल्कुल याद कर। ईश्वर हर समय हमारे साथ है, हमारे मतलब ये है ईश्वर की कृपा से ही सब कुछ संभव है।
बस बेटे से मिलना है जल्दी?
बस बेटे से मिलना है।
कब तक उम्मीद है?
अब ये 15 दिन कभी।
क्या कहेंगे बेटे से, एक आखिरी सवाल में?
अब बेटे को गले लगाएंगे, उसको आशीर्वाद देंगे।
शिवांशु की मां मौजूद है। आज आपके चेहरे पर मुस्कान देख रहा हूँ, कुछ क्षण पहले आंसू थे, अभी मुस्कान है, कैसा लग रहा है बताइए?
अच्छा लग रहा है, खराब क्या लगने वाली चीज है। तो मिशन पूरा होके बेटा लौटा करके तो अच्छा लग रहा है। अब बहुत
देखा आप हाथ जोड़े थी और कुछ जाप कर रही थी जिस वक्त वो प्रोसीजर चल रहा था।
भगवान से मन ही मन प्रार्थना कर रहे थे कि सुरक्षित लैंडिंग हो जाए, सुरक्षित लैंडिंग हो।
आपकी आंखों में आंसू भी थे, एक माँ है क्योंकि आपने पूरा बच्चे को बड़ा किया है, आपके सामने खेले हैं, आपके सामने पढ़ाई की है, अभी भी मैं देख रहा हूँ आप स्क्रीन की तरफ देख रही हैं। आप मुझे ये बताइए कि किस तरीके से ये कितना इमोशनल क्षण है?
नहीं, ये आप लोग भी देखो कितनी स्पेशल चीज है।
हम बहुत स्पेशल चीज है हम लोग के लिए भी, हम लोग के भी रोंगटे खड़े हो जिस वक्त हम रिपोर्ट कर रहे थे। आप ही बताइए कि कितनी बड़ी प्रेरणा शिवांशु बन गए हैं?
प्रेरणा तो बन ही गए सबके, पूरे संसार के लिए, दुनिया के लिए, भारत के लिए, सबके लिए।
डर था हल्का सा भी?
नहीं, अब कोई डर नहीं है।
जिस वक्त लैंडिंग हो रही थी
खत्म, सब सारे डर खत्म हो गए, सब खत्म।
Group Captain Shukla's mother there urging the media to also watch that moment her son emerged out. Clearly, they've been having a lot of conversations with the media. We've been trying, of course, to get you all of the excitement of the family also through the course of this journey that Group Captain Shukla has been on for the last 2 weeks.